Howdy guys, welcome to PowerPush. Satish here from Dallas, Texas. In this video, I'm going to show you how PowerPush enables you to send out notification via web browsers, mobile applications, Viber, text messages, Facebook Messenger, Facebook notification, and so much more. This is your ultimate solution for sending out push notification via all those platforms from single platform, okay? Let's go and take a look at it on my screen right now. So I'm logged into my account right here. So on my account, I see my subscribers. All that information is here for me to take a look at, of course, right here. And I'm gonna go to my application here. I'm going to click on add new application. Now there are two choices in front of me, and so what's the difference between these two? These two are pretty much same exact thing. The only difference is that the one on the left, it says pop-up builder. It's like, for newbies and non-techie people, so anyone can use it. So if you want to get on it and you'd be ready to go in like 5 minutes. With direct opt-in, you might need to know a little bit of programming here and there. So it's for advanced people. So this is a tool for both, beginners, noob, and also advanced folks, both of you guys. So let me go ahead and use the pop-up builder. But keep in mind, they have absolutely no differences. So you can do everything that you can do from here as well. The only difference is that you can do it without writing a single line of code. So I'm going to use this one, okay? So let me click on pop-up builder. I'm going to go ahead and give it a name. So title could be whatever I want. For demo purpose, it's going to be demo 777, right? Group, you could have a group for marketing, for campaigns. I don't. For website, I'm going to put my website here. Or like this. Now, for here, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. Keep in mind, you can modify all these designs. It's up to you. And you can modify the text here as well. You can put your logo here if you want to. If not, you don't, right? Expire period, I usually do 30 days, 5 days, it's up to you. If you want to enable GDPR tools, it is here for you if you want to use it, but it's not necessary, okay? So there is an option for GDPR freaks, if you want to call them. So it's right here for you. Of course, you can also do self-hosted pages here as well. You can change all these cool things. Keep in mind, I have tutorials for all these. I'm just showing you everything in quick few minutes here. Now, once you're ready, I'm going to go ahead and click on Save Changes. And pretty much I'm done in a way. So this is all I had to do. And now I would go to integration code. And I would pretty much copy this code or, tell people to go to this URL and they could subscribe. So, if someone goes there, they can subscribe to notification. Very, very simple here via web browsers. Now, that was for web browser. Now, if you want to use Facebook Messenger to send out notification, you'd click here. And you'd watch the tutorial how to integrate it on your Facebook page so you can send out mass notifications, mass messages via Facebook Messenger from here. Very simple, very easy, but you have to follow the tutorial, okay? Number 2, Facebook notification. If you want to send people notification on Facebook, you can do it from here as well. That has a dedicated tutorial here for you as well. Of course, your normal messages. Of course, hello message. If someone comes to your website, you want to say, hey, welcome to the website. Please, it's your first time. Please subscribe to our notification. You can do that here as well. Now, if you want to get even more fancier, other platforms, and you have a choice of Android, iOS, Windows 8. Of course, there are tutorials here for you as well. Windows 10. And if you want to send out mass SMS notifications, hey, guess what? Enable it. Choose your provider. So we have, Twilio, bulk message, SMS API, many of these platforms right here. Select it, put your phone number here, put your account SID, all that information here, and you can go ahead and get started. So that is how you go ahead and use it. So once it's done, you'd go to campaign, you send it out, and you'd go to campaigns, you'd have some subscribers, you'd go to new campaign. And once you're here, you have a couple of options, okay? Very nice options. So geofencing, what is geofencing? Geofencing means that, you can send out a notification to people just in a corner. So let me show it to you, an example, okay? So country, United States, geo zone, custom zone. So I'm going to put in our company address. and I need to go and enter information here, so I'm not going to put that here, but this is how it would work, okay? Right here. So it does work from here. So that's geofencing. You can save it as a template. You can send out the campaign right now, and it will go and send it out via push notification, apps, SMS, Viber, all those things from here. You can send it on a specific time, meaning you can schedule it out later, or you can do autoresponder, meaning, so let's say someone subscribes today, they'll get a message saying, hey, thanks for subscribing, blah, blah, blah. They'll get another one after like a day, 2 days, or one after a month, or one after every 30 days. So you can create an autoresponder directly here. Keep in mind that auto geofence, it does require you to use Google API. We'll teach you how to do that. I just haven't set it up here for demo purpose. Okay, so we got it. That's pretty much it. We got our food feed here. Now this one is a different tool. So if you want to go and send out notifications or news or messages based on our RSS feed, you can do that here as well. Now, is it mandatory? No, but if you want to automate things, you can use it. So a lot of you guys might have a podcast that might release via an RSS feed. If you put it up here, when there's a new podcast, it goes out automatically, okay? Of course, devices. So right here, you can also, so I have 2 subscribers here. Now, let's say you already have subscribers on a different platform, you can import it here. That means that if you're paying another company to send out push notification, guess what? You can switch from them to us like that, okay? Of course, GeoJoin, this is why it didn't work earlier. So you'd go here and you'd actually create a GeoJoin right here. You'd search for address. So, Plano, right? And you'd create it here. Also have segmentation. So segmentation, meaning if you want to create a segment of subscribers, so a subscriber from this website is called sales, or from another one is called leads. You can do that here as well. So it's like a segmentation, like for an autoresponder. It's the same concept, but it's applied here for you as well. Of course, our support center is here for your help as well. So that was the software. It's very, very simple the way it looks, but it's very, very powerful, because keep in mind that our system can send out notification to, let me go and edit one of these. So it can send out notification via, your push notifications, just a normal one, from web browsers. So you can do it to web browsers via Chrome, any web browser, not just one, but keep that in mind, okay? And also you can do SMS. You can select your own provider here, Viber, so right here, Windows 10, BlackBerry, Windows Phone, iOS, Android, all of it is provided here for you guys. It also includes Facebook Messenger and Facebook notification, but keep in mind that only these 2 features are reserved for customers who use a debit card and a credit card, because like I said, we save on fees, and that's just the incentive for you guys to use it. Keep in mind, we don't keep your card information. It's 100% safe. Okay, now that was the software, and keep in mind there's more tutorial on the back end. The price it's offered at right now, you shouldn't be thinking a lot. You should be hitting that add to cart button right now. I promise you the price will go up. The kind of software this is, it's going to be selling for a much, much higher price when we launch it publicly on JVZoo or ClickBank. It's going to have a lot of OTOs. Today, there's no OTOs. You have 2 choices. So you have a choice of personal unlimited, meaning it's for you, or unlimited reseller, where you could actually sell accounts to another third party and charge them a monthly fee or a one-time fee. So you have 2 choices right there, and there are no OTOs. Once you buy it, you will receive an instant access on your email. So there it is. Scroll through the page and take action right now.